Today on 16th of December 2023. I thank God very much as we began in 2017. Until today in 2023, as we are finishing the end of the year 2023. As I call upon my wife, what God has done for me this morning. As she were prepared to come to celebrate with me what I've received from TBI, I just called her 5 a.m. While I was calling her, she was in the vehicle. When I was calling her, I heard the voice. People were crying. Bari mu ntara y'Iburasirazuba hariya ku murenge wa Gatsibo, ubwo bari bahageze bari mu modoka bataka cyane bati turapfuye noneho ubwo imodoka yari icitse yari ivuyemo feri, noneho umushoferi asize yaka kandi umusozi wa Gatsibo ni umusozi muremure cyane hariya mu Burasirazuba. They were in the vehicle, all those people who were with his wife. They were crying, saying, we are dying because the car, the brake was just cut off. They were almost dying. Ubwo rero ngo shoferi yavuye mu modoka noneho ngo ajya gushyira mu muzigo mu modoka ahantu haturamye gutya imodoka yigendera. Ubwo twumvaga rero ngo shoferi we turapfuye, abandi barira n'abandi bahonda imodoka, madamu telefone ntiyongera kuyifata ati tuguye hano. What happened? The driver left the car on the mountain, and he wanted to put the luggage in the car, but that time the brakes broke down and the car continued away, and people were crying that we are dying. Natinzaho rero ubwo imodoka yaje kumanuka iriruka, shoferi nawe arihungira, imodoka imanuka yonyine umusozi iza kugwa muri borodire ngo niwe yayifashe n'umukingo bifata imodoka, noneho ngira ngo bapfuye, noneho kugeza ubwo hamaze amasaha 2 tutavugana, njye kumva numva yuko bose Imana yabarinze kuko twari we are already alive, but the car continues itself and fall in the pit. It is where the car stopped, but no one was hurt or be praised for that. Ikindi rero nshimira Imana nuko tutangira kwiga muri TBI. Another thing to praise God when we began to study in TBI. We started when we were almost 300 people. And among them was then even those saying, hey, the workman. No, kwiga baba ab'Uganda baba no muri Amerika And I thank very much teachers who are coming from USA and Uganda.
Ngashimira n'abagenzi banje ko twagerageje gushobozwa n'Imana.
I thank very much my students who've been working together.
Ngashimira n'abatashoboye kuba barangije kuba baje bakaza kwifatikanya natwe namwe bari bahishika. Ngashimira n'abasumirwa bacu muri rusange bose baboneka kuri uno munsi ngo bifatanye natwe.
May God bless you today and join us.
Ijuru cyubahiro cy'Imana kandi
May the name of the Lord be praised. Glory. Our leaders, we don't have something to offer to you. But God will continue, we cannot forget. Today on 16th of December 2023. I thank God very much as we began in 2017. Until today in 2023, as we are finishing the end of the year 2023. As I call upon my wife, what God has done for me this morning. As she were prepared to come to celebrate with me what I've received from TBI, I just called her 5 a.m. While I was calling her, she was in the vehicle. When I was calling her, I heard the voice. People were crying.
Bari mu ntara y'Iburasirazuba hariya ku murenge wa Gatsibo ubwo bari bahageze bari mu modoka bataka cyane bati turapfuye noneho ubwo imodoka yari icitse yari ivuyemo feri noneho umushoferi asize yaka kandi umusozi wa Gatsibo ni umusozi muremure cyane hariya mu Burasirazuba.
They were in the vehicle. All those people who were with his wife, they were crying, saying, we are dying, because the car, the brake was just cut off. They were almost dying.
Ubwo rero ngo shoferi yavuye mu modoka noneho ngo ajya gushyira mu muzigo mu modoka ahantu hacuramye gutya imodoka yigendera ubwo twumvaga rero ngo shoferi we turapfuye abandi barira n'abandi bahonda imodoka madamu telefone ntiyongera kuyifata ati tuguye hano nuko
what happened, the driver left the car on the mountain and he wanted to put the luggage in the car, but that time the brakes down and the car continued away and people were crying that we are dying.
Natinzaho rero ubwo imodoka yaje kumanuka iriruka shoferi nawe arihungira imodoka imanuka yonyine umusozi iza kugwa muri borodire ngo niwe yayifashe n'umukingo bifata imodoka noneho ngira ngo bapfuye noneho kugeza ubwo hamaze amasaha 2 tutavugana njye kumva numva yuko bose Imana yabarinze kuko twari
we are already alive, but the car continues itself and fall in the pit. It is where the car stopped, but no one was hurt or be praised for that.
Ikindi rero nshimira Imana nuko tutangira kwiga muri TBI.
Another thing to praise God when we began to study in TBI.
twatangiye turi benshi turenga magana atatu.
We started when we were almost 300 people.
haza gutora ijana na makumyabiri n'ane yo musaza Koleka.
And among them was then even Jones of saying, the workman.
none rero haje muri ijana na makumyabiri haje kuvamo 40 bicaye hano muri iki cyicaro nanjye nabonetse. abasaza n'abantu bakuru n'abakecuru nibo bahaguruke mutere haleluya. abantu bashinze iri shuri harimo Nehemiya na bagenzi be. ngashimira n'ubundi abarimu badufashije kwiga baba ab'Uganda baba no muri Amerika.
And I thank very much teachers who are coming from USA and Uganda.
ngashimira na bagenzi banjye ko twagerageje gushobozwa n'Imana.
I thank very much my students who've been working together.
ngashimira n'abatashoboye kuba barangije kuba baje bakaza kwifatikanya natwe n'Imana ngashimira n'abatumirwa bacu muri rusange bose baboneka kuri uno munsi ngo bifatanye natwe. mwinjira icyubahiro kibi cy'Imana kandi
our leaders, we don't have something to offer to you.